am Dana Malcolm. This is your Top Stories Morning Edition for Monday, January 22nd, 2024. Coming up, the news that matters most.
He's wanted. From Grace Bay to Cooperjack Bay, North Caicos to South Caicos, he's wanted in all neighborhoods and communities for taking the stress out of home buying, for having intel on every hot property. He's Ramon Andrews of White Rock Realty, the most wanted realtor around. If contacted, your reward is your perfect luxury home and investment properties. To make a move, call 649-331-3000. Visit whiterockrdm.com.
A new digital system is being stress tested at the Department of Motor Vehicles. It allows residents to sign in via their phones and see their estimated waiting time and position in line. We observed the new system last week after residents complained of extended wait times. DMV Representative Frederico Johnson told us a snag contributing to the long wait under the new system was that people were electronically signing in when they were not yet in office, clogging the queue. Solutions to the issue are being worked out, the DMV says. They've landed in the Bahamas, the historic team of 6 North Caicos stars who will for the first time represent the Turks and Caicos at Junior Junk Canoe. Here is more from their arrival.
We will get them the proper training, and that's where Mr. Bahamas, Mr. Barabbas came in. I made a call to him, explained what I wanted, and he was on board immediately. He said, bring them, I will train them.
People in the Bahamas think I'm one of the best, but the ones who I train is better than me. And I have my son Sheen at Junk in the World on a daily basis with the tourists. Sheen's going to drop some rhythm on them, and I guarantee you when they go back to Turks, they're going to be so awesome.
The team will spend a week training before they participate in the January 25th event in Nassau. Blue is what residents are asked to wear when they gather to celebrate the life of the late Pastor Wayde Coleby next month. A public viewing will be held on Thursday, February 1st from 3 to 6 at the Healing Waters Ministries. Later, a Remembrance Night service is scheduled for 7 p.m. Residents are asked to wear suspenders, a wardrobe feature of Rev Wayde Coleby, who passed away suddenly on January 14th at the age of 67. The funeral service will be Friday, February 2nd at 1 p.m. at the Abundant Life Ministries on Leeward Highway, where residents should turn up in their blue outfits. Magnetic Media is your news leader. Are you interested in taking your fishing business to the next level? Or maybe you've been wondering about how to dive in to the local fishing industry. If so, the Turks and Caicos Islands Fishing Cooperative has the perfect opportunity for you. The TCI Community Resilience Hub and the TCI Fishing Co-op are hosting a free workshop for all those interested in the local fishing industry in a way that supports the local environment. Learn about bookkeeping, attracting vendors, regulations, and much more. Workshops will be held during the month of January on Grand Turk, South Caicos, and Providenciales, so be sure to register before the seats fill up. If you're interested, send an email to resilienttci@gmail.com with your name to register. For more information about this and other workshops, follow Community Resilience Hub TCI on Facebook and Instagram. This workshop is funded by the EU Commission's ResMBID program and hosted in collaboration with the Department of Environment and Coastal Resources and the TCI Fishing Cooperative. After a man with absolutely no pants was captured on security video boldly parading around a Providenciales home, the police force is warning residents, particularly those of Discovery and Cooperjack Bay, to be vigilant. They say if seen, the spooky prowler, whose genitals were clearly visible in that footage, should not be approached. Instead, immediately call 911. He has a tattoo of a stylized cross on his chest, and residents are asked to assess photos shared on Magnetic Media socials and contact 911 if you recognize him. In the face of increasing levels of gun crimes locally, a group of residents headed by Dr. David Burrows, senior pastor of Bahamas Faith Ministries International, has launched a new mentor training program. Dubbed the Reaching the Streets training, the two-phase process begins today, January 22nd, with stakeholder engagement meetings in Providenciales and Grand Turk. The training seeks to equip both experts and laypeople with useful strategies to help disrupt gun violence. The second phase, which includes the actual training, begins in February. The TCI government announced last Thursday. According to Edwin Astwood, opposition leader, the premier is radio silent on security and crime issues. Reacting to the premier's New Year's Day message, Astwood bemoaned the lack of original proactive policies to stop migrant landings and reduce crime. Referencing families who had lost their loved ones to crime in 2023, he described the current government response as a dog and pony show. For weather in the Turks and Caicos Islands today, it will be a windy day with partly cloudy skies and gusty winds developing during the afternoon. A high at 78 degrees Fahrenheit is expected for tonight. Partly cloudy again with strong winds. A low at 74 degrees is expected. I am Dana Malcolm. Thank you for joining us. Top Stories in 5 is a Magnetic Media production.